In this video, we're going to check out the OHO Sunshine 1080p sunglasses that records video and photos. And they're supposedly waterproof, so we're definitely going to check them out in the toilet of death. Can they survive? Let's check it out. At this point, you may be wondering, why in the world would I order a pair of spy glasses? Well, since these are waterproof and we have summer right around the corner, this will be great for time at the pool, in the ocean, maybe a few thrift stores, all kinds of stuff. My son Landon is going to help with the unboxing. Thanks, Land. Alright, let's take a look and see what's in the pouch here. Looks like we have a USB cable, some clear lenses, power adapter, and ooh, looks like here are the sunglasses. Go ahead and open it up. Check out the little camera there in the middle. It's pretty well concealed. And a nice strap that you can put around the back that floats. That's a pretty nice set. Looking at the specs, it's full HD at 1920 by 1080p at 30 frames per second. You can set it for 60 frames per second at 720p. It records in MOV file format. It's got a charging time of 1 hour. It works for 60 minutes. Oh, and it's waterproof. We're still going to test that in just a minute. Alright, so let's see. That's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and take a look at how to replace the lenses. Just in case you want to be less conspicuous, you can remove the sunglass lens and insert the clear lens. Great for indoor use. And it just kind of snaps in. It's a little hard popping them out, so I did that off camera. But popping them in is pretty easy. Then you just slide this in if you want the little flotation device for your spy glasses. The case is really nice, very sturdy. It's got a place to put some of your accessories, a little wiping cloth. Here's the USB port where you plug it in for charging, transferring files. There's the button, the only button on here. It's used for recording and taking pictures. Let's go ahead and try a quick record. If you hold the button down, you'll feel a little vibration, and then it'll start recording. The red light indicates it's recording. If you press the button, you'll see a little blue LED, and that's telling you it's taking a still picture. Pretty cool. Very easy to use. If you want to change any of the settings in the camera, all you have to do is modify this init file. You can set the date and time, whether or not you want a watermark. You can set the video size to 3 different sizes, 1080p, 720p, and WVGA. And then if you want to format the disk, then simply copy the file and then go to the root of the USB drive for the camera, right click, paste, and when you unplug it, boom, everything's set. Earlier in the video I mentioned that I wanted to get these glasses primarily to take pictures at thrift stores and who knows, garage sales, stuff like that. Well, figure we'd go ahead and take it out one late afternoon and check it out at a local thrift store.
It's a table set for only $60.
Yeah, sure.
Or like 60.
Have you looked through? You hadn't looked through these yet, have you? Part of a keyboard.
I'm gonna have to buy this.
That's a steal. None of the video here was modified aside from splicing the video. I didn't run it through any stabilization or anything. I did overlay my voice, obviously. 15
Oh,
minutes.
this is a charger for my phone.
Well, check that out. That is an audio video to HDMI.
Dang.
I'm getting that. Oh, they got some good cables in there. And now the wife and I are hitting the grocery store. Pick up a few items. I'll stop talking so you can hear the audio. Some bananas. I think we need mustard. I can't look at my shopping list. Do you have yours?
Oh, yeah.
So,
We have mustard. We don't need mustard. Oh, no, sorry. We have mustard, John.
oh no.
Yeah, we do.
Well, we have one.
Did you load it from the cabinet?
Yeah, that's where I got it.
Mustard will last us forever. Won't nobody eat it.
I do.
We don't.
I do. I guess I don't count. I love mustard. Especially on hot dogs. Okay, so now we are going to try flushing these glasses in the toilet while recording. Now keep in mind I did clean this toilet about 5 times before recording this, so I'm pretty sure it's the cleanest it's ever been. Here we go. Kids, please don't try this at home. Your parents will not appreciate it. Trust me. Let's see what it looks like from the camera. Oh, the mic certainly works. I don't know if the rest of the camera / spy glasses work. I did try this a number of times just to make sure we got it good and soaked. Ah, the LED is still blinking. Looky there. That's a good sign. So after testing in the toilet, I thought, shoot, let's get on the Segway and ride around the neighborhood for our post-toilet test. Sounds like fun. Let's go check it out. You can still hear the wind blowing in through the glasses. So the microphones work. That's good. Looks like the video looks pretty good. We're still recording at 1080p. Oh, in this car, I'm snapping some pictures. It got egged. Hey, how's it going, man? Good morning. Off to work? Are you? Well, have a good day. Alright, there's that car that got egged. I really hate that for him. Nice shot of me with the glasses on. Dropping my son off at school. And let's hear a little discussion from this morning. Well, you know they say these glasses are waterproof, right?
Tested.
I tested it. You know what I did?
Stuck it under the sink.
I wore them in the shower.
And did it work?
I got all the video. I'm testing the glasses right now just to make sure
That it didn't break.
that they didn't break, yeah. So after having these for about a week, these are my results. The pros are it has great video, cons 1080p, 30 frames per second. 60 would be awesome. The pros, waterproof. Still quality is so-so on the con side. Has decent audio, even when being flushed down the toilet. The LEDs are well concealed. It charges quick. And the lenses for the sunglasses work great. Overall, I'm keeping it.